Welcome back to the Cape Coral, Fort Myers, and Southwest Florida online tour. Today we're coming from Northeast Cape Coral, and I want to show you this beautiful western floor plan. It's a 3 bedrooms, 2 bath, double car garage, and it has approximately 1,400 square feet under air. Okay, like I do in all of my videos, let's start with the outside and then we'll move inside. One of my subscribers asked me to do smaller homes, so that's why I'm giving you a smaller home here. Okay, and I just want to tell you something about the builder. The builder's actually building 7 other homes with this exact floor plan, and they're more or less all gonna be finished by the same time. This was the first one that is finished. Okay, there's only, I think, missing mirrors in the bathroom, but other than that, it's completely finished and it's ready for them to sell it. I mean, it's ready for sale. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put on the description below a link to this home, so that way you can see the price and the status. And then I'm gonna put another link below that one that will take you directly to a list of all the homes that are being built here in Cape Coral with the same floor plan in different areas, so you can also see the prices and the status of it. Okay, so feel free, if you like this floor plan, to go to any of those links, to both of those links, so that way you can see the price of this home and you can see the price of the other homes with the same floor plan. Okay, now that I got that out of the way, as you can see, the home, it's very nice. It has cover lanai that this square footage, a lot of the homes don't bring it, so it's nice that you could go outside and you're covered. And this home, as you can see right now, also you have the well right in front of us, and this home is on well and septic. Okay, so over here next to the house, you can see the filtration system of the home. Okay, this is what filters the water from the well. Okay, now here next to it you have the electric meter. Also, you got your sprinkler system control, and in the middle there you have your valve for the shut-off valve for the whole home. And over here you got your AC. It's kind of weird how they lay it out, because most of the homes, they're always the same. This was a little bit more different. And as you can see, there's a storm coming, so I'm trying to rush this video so I don't get wet. So here's the beautiful paver driveway for your double car garage entrance, and they had some cute landscape. I like the little bushes there they put on the side. And here's your paver entrance. Now let me show you one more time a different shot here. Let me go back a little bit. So there's your nice entrance, and that's, you know, the home. Those are the bushes I was talking about. So it looks cute. Yeah, as you can see, it looks really cute from the outside. Okay, now let's move in. So you can see the beautiful entrance. It's all blanks tile, so it looks very nice, very modern. You got vaulted ceilings, and you have a very big space when you come in. So like, you got, like, here's the living room and the dining room area. Let me move back here a little bit so you can visualize the size. Check out how big this area is, the vaulted ceiling. Okay, I'm right now standing more or less where the living room will be. Then you have your very nice kitchen with granite countertops. And let me move around here to this other corner. Over there, that was where I was standing. That's the living room area. Okay, but first let's start with the bedrooms. Let's call this bedroom number 1. As you can see, it's carpet. So this home has all tiles except the bedroom, so the bedrooms still have carpet. Okay, nice closet. It's bedroom number 1. Now we go over to bedroom number 2. Size, they're very similar in size. Let me move around so you can visualize the size. And now let's go to the guest bathroom. See the guest bathroom? Nice granite countertop in the cabinet. Has a vinyl tub. The shower. Now let's continue to the kitchen. Let me show you this beautiful island granite countertop. Nice range and microwave. Over here's where the refrigerator goes, but I don't think it brings any appliances other than the one that you see. So I think what you see is what you get. The dishwasher, the stove, and the microwave. It does not bring the refrigerator or the washer and dryer. Here's a pretty nice sized pantry. Check out the stove, the microwave. And the granite is very nice. What I really like about this island here and where they put the kitchen is that you're right in front of your living room and dining room, and you have a view of the backyard. Let's say someday you decide to put a pool, you'll be able to see the pool. So let's say if you have kids or you got somebody coming in and entertaining, you could be cooking and doing your stuff in the kitchen, and you could be talking to them, or even you could be watching TV. So it's pretty nice layout in the sense for a smaller home that you have all this open space. Now let's go over here to the laundry room. That's where your washer and dryer will go. That's the washer hookup and the dryer hookup. Now let's go in the garage. Here's your double car garage. You got your hurricane shutters there. Some extra tiles that they left. The electrical panel and your water heater. The nice thing about over here the AC. The nice thing that the AC is outside in the garage because it's easier to service, and at the same time it's less noise inside the house. So right now let's go ahead and go into the master bedroom. Nice big size. I like the window. Has a lot of light. You got your hookup for your fan. In most of the bedrooms they have all the hookup for the fan, or if you want to put a light there, and the switches are on next to the door, so it's good that they pre-wire for fan or light. Now let's go into the master bathroom. Over here you got a linen closet. You got your double sink with a granite countertop. Missing the mirror like the other bathroom. It looks like they haven't put it yet. One of the things I like a lot is this shower. Very nice tile. I really like the tile, and the tile goes with the floor, so it's the same tile that the floor has, so it looks really nice. Over here's your toilet closet, very private, and over here is your walk-in closet. Nice size. Another view of the granite countertop and the shower. Nice. One of the nice things of buying a new home is that everything's new, and you don't have to worry about that much. So that's good. Also, your insurance will be less because it's a new home. So that's another nice advantage. And over here, this is the lanai that is covered. A lot of homes at this square footage does not bring a covered lanai, so it's nice that you have a pretty nice area to sit down on the back. Some people screen them so that way they could go in the summer outside and no bugs will be bothering them, and they could leave the slider or door open. So check out the size. It's very nice, very big open area here. So if you like this home, remember, if you would like to know the price, go in the description below. If you'd like to see the other homes that are available, go in the description below that one. And if you're new to the channel, please hit the subscribe button. If you would like to see more homes like this, please give me a like. I will really appreciate it. And remember, if you're looking for a home here in Southwest Florida, Cape Coral, Fort Myers area, my wife and I have been selling real estate for over 20 years in this area, and we can help you with this home or any home out there. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed this small video, and I'll see you on the next one.